everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 easy ways in which you can create a colored eyeliner look. Recently, I had attended the wedding of one of my close friends and I couldn't help but notice that the family members got caught up in the preparations of the wedding and they were left with very little time to get ready. Come to think of it, most of us have faced this situation often. Whenever we have a wedding in the family, we want to look our best. But we are left with very little time because we are helping with the preparations in the wedding. In this kind of a situation, the best option would be a colored eyeliner look. The colored eyeliner has been in vogue for quite some time now and is set to remain in trend for the remaining of this year as well. It is preferred as compared to an eyeshadow look because it doesn't take as much time and it's quite easy to achieve, and also you do not have to worry about blending it completely as you have to in case of an eyeshadow look. Once you have decided on doing a colored eyeliner look, the easiest way to achieve it would be to purchase an eyeliner in the color that goes with your outfit and complete the look. However, there is no value in purchasing a whole gel pot or liquid eyeliner for an outfit that you are not going to wear that often. Also, the eyeliners dry up really fast and will expire within a few months. So today I am going to be sharing 3 ways in which you can create a colored eyeliner look without having to purchase a whole tub of colored eyeliner. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, I am Paramjeet, a professional makeup artist, and I post videos on makeup and hairstyling. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon to turn on the notifications. Now let's get on with the colored eyeliner look. Before we begin applying the eyeliner, we need to create a base so that the eyeliner pops out properly. So I'm going to be applying a concealer and setting it with a powder before I apply the eyeliner. Always take a good look at the makeup products in your vanity and think of different ways in which you can use them. For example, a lip liner. Since it is in a pencil form, I can apply it on my eyes and smudge it to make it into an eyeshadow. I can also smudge it on my cheeks to make it into a blusher. And today, I am using this as my colored eyeliner. The lip liner gives a good amount of control in applying the eyeliner. Make sure that the lip liner is sharp enough before you start applying the eyeliner. Remember to apply a thick eyeliner because the color wouldn't show through if you are applying a thin line. Also, you could add the wing or skip it as per your choice. Whenever you go for this look, the mascara becomes super important because the lashes contrast well with the colored eyeliner and show beautifully when a generous amount of mascara is applied. The second way to apply a colored eyeliner is to use a lipstick, but we will have to avoid a cream-based lipstick and also avoid lipsticks that have shimmer in it. So the ideal one would be to use a matte liquid lipstick with no shimmer in it. Take the lipstick on a palette or on the back of your hand and apply it using an eyeliner brush. You need to be quick with this because liquid lipsticks are quick drying formulas. So take out a small quantity at a time and apply it immediately. The third way to get a colored eyeliner look is by using an eyeshadow. Here again we will be avoiding shimmery colors and I am using a matte eyeshadow from the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. I am using a dark purple color so that it shows off well in the video. You can also use a light color as per your choice. I scraped out a little eyeshadow onto my mixing palette. You can use any other eyeshadow palette for it, or even a saucer or a plate. I am mixing this eyeshadow with a drop of setting spray. You can use any setting spray of your choice. I am using MAC Fix Plus. Make sure to take a small quantity of the setting spray in order to keep the consistency of the mixture gel-like. It will become very difficult to apply it if it becomes too watery. And that's it. Those are the 3 ways in which you can create a colored eyeliner look without having to purchase that whole pot of colored eyeliner. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button for me and also share this video with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon to turn on the notifications. If you want me to make more such videos, do let me know in the comment box. I will also be waiting for your wonderful comments and suggestions. If you try this look, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle @ParamNC. Thank you for watching this video. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.